नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं विकास इस वीडियो में आपको पीएचडी के केयूके में 2020 के पूछे गए एंट्रेंस के क्वेश्चंस के बारे में बताऊंगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फर्न हैज फॉल्स इंडूसियम? आंसर इज टेरिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग mosses इज कॉमनली नोन एज फायर moss? आंसर इज Ceratodon purpureus. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, इंटरनेशनल कोड ऑफ बोटेनिकल nomenclature इज नाउ known as? Answer is International Code of Nomenclature for Algae, Fungi and Plants. Fourth question is, which of the following fern is well adapted to high salt concentration in soil? Answer is Acrostichium. Fifth question is, which of the following fern is known mosquito fern? Answer is Azolla pinnata. Sixth question is, incipient heterospory is found in? Answer is Equisetum. Seventh question is, which of the following ecological interaction is least likely to limit the population size? Answer is commensalism. Eighth question is, how many angiosperm family are there? Answer is 416. Ninth question is, Dinaturicon Poflangian family is related to? Answer is Angler and Parental. Tenth question is, which of the following is example of leafy liverwort? Answer is Porella. 11th question is, medullary bundles are found in stem of Bohravia. 12th question is, which of the following fern has arborescent habit? Answer is Scythia. 13th question, who among the following is known as the father of taxonomy? Answer is Linnaeus. 14th question, Welwitschia mirabilis is endemic to? Answer is Namib Desert. 15th question is, Chilgoja is obtained from? Answer is Pinus girardiana. 16th question, apogamy was reported by? Answer is Farlow in Pteris species. 17th question is, endosperm in gymnosperm is? Answer is haploid. 18th question is, which of the following is common name of Cycas revoluta? Answer is Sagopalm. 19th question is, which of the following genera gymnosperm has largest ovule? Answer is Cycas. 20th question is, foxglove plant belong to family? Answer is Plantagenaceae. 21st question is, Anthridogon, an organ inducing substance in fern was reported in? Answer is Pteridium equilinum. 22nd question is, which of the following family is characterized by bicarpillary unilocular inferior ovary with one basal ovule? Answer is Astraceae. 23rd question is, which type of fruit is found in fig? Answer is Syconium. 24th question is, ratio of actual number of link to potential number of link in tropic level of an ecosystem is termed as? Answer is connectance. 25th question is, which of the following is not a monotypic genus? Answer is Magnolia. 26th question is, which of the following does not pertain to the R selected species? Answer is strongly competitive ability. 27th question is, which of the following is not true about the ecotone? Answer is, these exhibit poor species diversity. 28th question is, national park are placed under which of the following IUCN category on the protective area? Answer is category 2. 29th question is, which of the following is not an ex situ method of biodiversity conservation? Answer is biosphere reserve. 30th question is, as per Grime model, lichens are classified as? Answer is stress tolerators. 31st question is, which of the following bacteria oxidizes nitrite into nitrate? Answer is Nitrobacter. 32nd question is, the cone of some gymnosperm which open only upon fire are known as serotoninous cones. 33rd question is, a permit of right to emit 1 ton of carbon dioxide or mass of another greenhouse gas equivalent to 1 ton of carbon dioxide is known as? Answer is carbon credit. 34th question is, which of the following seed bank was initiated to protect crop seeds from the global disasters? Answer is Svalbard Global Seed Vault. 35th question is, how many biosphere reserve of India are a part of World Network of Biosphere Reserve? Answer is 11. 36th question is, the term Chemosiri is used for succession starting from the? Answer is sand dune. 37th question is, which of the following is an example of unsubsidized natural solar powered ecosystems? Answer is upland forest. 38th question is, tomato is native of? Answer is South America. 39th question is, which of the following is categorized as the secondary pollutant? Answer is ground level ozone. 40th question is the number of wetlands of international importance in India is answer is 37. 41 question is which of the following terms apply to the population showing the reversible phenotypic variation induced upon environment gradient? Answer is ecofin. 42nd question is which of the following plant is not a mangrove? Answer is Taraxum officinale. 43 question which of the following is first formed product of carbon fixation pathway in the C3 plant? Answer is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. 44th question is light independent reaction occur in which of the following part of chloroplast? Answer is stroma. 45th question is which of the following is absent in the phloem of monocot? Answer is phloem parenchyma. 46th question is Carrikins, the plant growth regulator known to stimulate growth, are found in? Answer is the smoke of burning plant material. 47th question is which of the following is an example of C4 plant? Answer is sugarcane. 48th question is which of the following trace element is absorbed in anionic form? Answer is molybdenum. 49th question is a species whose profile is raised to generate help and support for conservation is known as? Answer is flagship species. 50th question is which of the following is not true about the rubisco? Answer is Mn2 positive ion are required for its activity. 51 question is transposable element were discovered by? Answer is Barbara McClintock. 52nd question is which of the following term is applied to species which occupy similar niche in different geographical range? Answer is ecological equivalent. 53rd question is which of the following is not true about the metabolic pathway? Answer is are not regulated. 54th question is aquatic organisms that can swim in water are known as? Answer is nekton. 55th question is brassinolyde. The first brassinosteroid was discovered from the extract of pollen of? Answer is Brassica napus. 56th question is which of the following is an untrue about the Arabidopsis thaliana? Answer is flowering plant with the smallest genome. 57th question is early successional species have dash resistance and dash resilience? Answer is low and high. Low resistance and high resilience. 58th question is which of the following conditional represent nillosomy? Answer is 2n-2. 59th question is which of the following is the initiation codon of messenger RNA during translation? Answer is AUG. 60th question is the clover leaf structure tRNA is its structure? Answer is secondary. 61st question is the remain of nucleus left in the seed is known as? Answer is perisperm. 62nd question is which of the following type of mutation occur when to a codon specifying an amino acid get converted to one of stop codon? Answer is nonsense mutation. 63rd question is who among the following proposed the one gene one enzyme hypothesis? Answer is Biddle and Totem. 64th question is phytochrome P7 into P660 in dash light? Answer is far red. 65th question is Fusion test is specific test to detect the presence of? Answer is DNA. 66th question is which of the following amino acid contains sulfur? Answer is cysteine. 67th question is which of the following pertain to cyclic photophosphorylation? Answer is it involve photosystem 1 only. 68th question is which of the following technique in the molecular biology is used to detect the RNA in a given sample? Answer is Northern blotting. 69th question is which phytochrome control the apical dominance? Answer is indole acetic acid. 70th question is International Day of Forest is celebrated on? Answer is March 21. 71 question which of the following is source of foreign gene in Bt concern? Answer is bacterium. Which of the following is main constituent of the Casparian strip? Answer is suberin. 73 question which of the following enzyme unwind the DNA double helix? Answer is helicase. Question number 74 chemical morphine is a type of? Answer is alkaloid. Question number 75 which of the following is characteristic feature of the Cara? Answer is multicellular and jacketed sex organ. Question number 76 carrageenan is obtained from? Answer is Chondrus crispus. 77th question which of the following is causal organism of loose smut of feet? Answer is Astelago triticai. Question number 78 which of the following lichen have a branched thallus and the bushy appearance? Answer is fruticose. Question number 79. Dash refer to removing plant with the undesirable characteristic from the agriculture field. Answer is logging. Question number 80. Which was the theme of International Day for Biological Diversity for the year 2019? Answer is our biodiversity, our food, our health. Question number 81. Which of the following fungi is not edible? Answer is Ophalotus olearius. Question number 82. Kelps are brown algae. Question 83. Cladonia rangifera, commonly known as reindeer mouse, is type of. Answer is lichen. Question number 84. Benedict text is used to detect which of the following? Answer is reducing sugar. Which of the following law from the basis of spectrophotometry? Answer is Beer-Lambert law. Question number 86. Arnon equation is used to quantify the amount of. Answer is total chlorophyll. Question number 87. Which of the following is involved in guttation? Answer is hydroxide. Question number 88. Which is approximate percentage of score that fall within the 3 standard deviation of the mean in a normally distributed data? Answer is 99%. Question number 89. The square of correlation coefficient is known as. Answer is correlation of determination. Question number 90. A type 1 error is also known as. Answer is false positive. Question number 91. Which of the following result in F ratio during one-way analysis of variance? Answer is between group variance divided by within group variance. Question number 92. Prospect of biodiversity for possible future benefit for human is known as. Answer is option value. Question number 93. The term ecological footprint was created and developed by. Answer is Rage and Wackengale. Question number 94. The practice establishing conservation area while discarding the traditional right of the local people is termed as. Answer is eco-colonialism. Question number 95. Which of the following genera of the green algae is parasitic? Answer is Cephalosaurus. Question number 96. Which of the following tree is found in the littoral and swamp forest of India? Answer is whistling pine. Question number 97. Akrisat is located at. Answer is Hyderabad. Question number 98. Periyar National Park is famous for. Answer is elephant. Question number 99. Montreal Protocol is related to protection of stratospheric ozone. Last question. Which of the following movement is non-directional and reversible? Answer is Nastic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share the video.